In a forest far away lived a lovely pair of a stag and a doe. The stag was the king of his herd. One day the stag's foot got stuck in a trap set by a hunter. The poor doe shouted, "Help, help my husband!" But no one came to rescue the stag. The stag said, "Go away, or the hunter will catch you too." Yet the loyal doe stood by her husband. When the hunter came there, the doe fell on his feet and begged, "Sir, please kill me before my husband. I cannot live without him. If he dies, I will die too." The hunter was moved by the doe's love and devotion. He said gently, "I am so touched by your love and devotion that I will let your husband go." With this, the hunter realized the stag. The doe was extremely happy. She thanked the hunter for his kindness.